What's up, everyone? This is your tug notes how to do part 2 section of how to chisel a boulder. That came from right there, here. And so in the first video, step 1 was to go up and assess the boulder and see like what type of tools you might need. And so that's what I did. And so now I've got all my tools right here. I'll show you them. Doesn't mean I'm going to use every single one of them, but this is really heavy and it makes really good. If you're good at it, you can cut a good line or break apart cracks with more leverage. That's a small pick. These picks, so you just know if you're new to this, this is the nose of that. This is the nose of this. So they're shaped for different types of picking. This, it was something from a fireplace, but now it's a tool and it's iron. So I won't feel like I'll break something. This is a mini pick, hand pick. This is a monster big pick. And then this is what you use with your pick. And then underneath these gloves is a really cool thing that just came out, I guess. But you can now hammer this and not have to worry about hitting your hand all the time. That sucks. Take it. I know what the feeling's like. So I'm gonna start assessing and picking away, and hopefully I'll show you. This is one other thing. When you do pick on a rock, the best way to get the most bang out of your buck is to take your tool and basically draw a line like this where you want to pick, and just go into that line all the way across and then back and forth, and you'll start making your way deeper, and this will break off eventually. And you can also just assess the rock and find cracks and use the pick and hit it right there. So hope this video is helping to anyone, and I look forward to showing you something I can do today. All right, see you.